What's happening, guys? I gotta fix my hair. Huh? Yeah, it's better. Sweet. So, how you guys doing today, huh? That's good. Yeah, so today I thought I'd give you guys somewhere special. And, bring you guys to the more significant part of my town. Also known as, the actual falls itself. Which, I mean, I never come down here anymore. It's just not something I do. So, I don't know. As I said, it was 2 days ago? Yeah, my first vlog. I've done everything there is to do in the falls. Worked everywhere there is to work in the falls. So, I tend to stay away from the tourist areas. No offense to you guys, of course. It's just that I used to work there and don't really like going. Except for bumper cars. Bumper cars is awesome. And pool and bowling and bars and clubs. Other than that, and arcades. Which is 90% of Clifton. Okay, so I guess I go to Clifton Hill quite often. Clifton Hill? Is that what I said? Seriously? Wow, when I'm chewing tobacco, it does sound like I have a speech impediment, eh? Yeah. Let's see, what happened today at work? Today was hardware. I learned about taking apart a Mac, where all the pieces go inside, to help you Apple owners to help you people who own products. Doesn't get any easier than that. Really hate this walk. And it takes forever. Oh, sweet. I have the walk symbol. These will go so fast, like, there. They go to the hand flashing symbol in like 5 seconds. That's just weird. There's two facing that way. Doesn't make any sense. Sup? I said sup. Niagara Falls. Anyway. So we are now leaving the ghetto area in which I live. That was loud. The ghetto area in which I live. To the nice area. Ready? Watch the roads. Watch, I'll show you guys this in a second. It's fucking hilarious. When you see the crossover from local to tourist. Okay, ready? Look at the roads. Ready? Shitty. Oh, it's so nice! As I said, fucking Niagara Falls. Oh! They shut down Timmy's. Oh. It's fine, because I never go to that one anyway. Oh, they're down for maintenance or something. I don't know. Beep, 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 beep. It's really fun skating down there. And starting up there. Oh, you don't even know. It is so much fun. Sweet. Just random people watching me vlog. It's awesome. Tourists. Not a lot of tourists right now, actually. Well, because it's like 2 degrees out today. 2 days ago it was 20. Yesterday was 10. Now it's 2. And tomorrow is 20. Copyrighted music. Fuck! I hate that. And I'm trying to make this account that has no copyrighted material on it, and I walk past a fucking club and the casino. They really need to turn off that music, though. I'm gonna get in so much trouble for this. Time we got 5 minutes. Sweet, we still have 10 minutes for me to get to the bottom of the hill. Look, you can almost see the falls. You guys see it? Right down there? Oh, man, I'm stuck at the crosswalk during a copyright song. Blah, blah, blah. There's no copyright music on. What? Copyrighted music? Bitch, please. No, I can't sing along. Must resist the beat. There you go, it went yellow. There's the casino, by the way. That's the casino. Aw, man, copyrighted music. That's getting louder and louder to the point to which you guys can't hear me anymore. There you go, all gone. Actually, I think you guys can still hear it. Yeah, we can still hear it. We're almost there, guys. We're almost at Niagara Falls. Woo! Yeah, the only reason I come down here anymore is for concerts down at the bottom of the falls. Like the New Year's concert with Simple Plan. It was a free Simple Plan concert. A few other big names played. I don't remember. Sheepdogs. I don't know. A few others played. Oh, Skype gave me a gift. Oh, that's cute. Skype's like, here, let's have a present. Here you go. Oh, it's getting cold down here. Like colder. I am surrounded by tourists right now. Who probably all think I'm tourist because I'm talking to my iPhone. Well, it's because they don't know I'm talking to you guys. So, that's how I roll. Walk past people I don't know, just what's up? Oh, sorry, so. Oh, I hate this hill. This is right now. I'm walking down. And trying to say, look, it's the Skyline Tower. There. Thanks to me, you guys can say that you have seen the Skyline Tower. It's getting windy. This is taking forever. I hate this hill. It sucks if you wear crappy shoes because, like, shin splints. Oh. So shitty. You don't even know. I don't think you want to know. In all honesty, it kind of blows. Ah, no. I forgot about the mist before I came and started doing this. Ah, no. Which would suck because, quite frankly, mist sucks. And water getting on an iPhone sucks even more. Look at the garbage. That's ridiculous. So much garbage that people really need to come and clean up. And that's a day's worth, too. Wow, my hair is terrible. Alright, sweet. Yeah, that much garbage in a day. So funny, so if I walk for another 15 minutes, I'll be in America. Okay, no, if I went down, swam, which would take me a lot longer if I don't get stuck in an undertow and die. But I mean, if I wanted to cross that bridge over there, then yeah, okay, so maybe make it a 45-minute walk if I go to that bridge. But hey, still make it to the falls. Or to, well, I guess it's still Niagara Falls, just Niagara Falls, New York. Where I can meet up with 30% of my fan base. Oh. So I'm not going to walk to the actual falls part because, well, quite frankly, actually, let's get by a taxi, shall we? That'll be fun. Please don't kill me. What's up? Almost there, guys. Which is perfect because I have 5 minutes left to video tape. Actually, I have 4 minutes and 30 seconds. There's a quick request, guys. If you do, just pass this along. Kind of want to get some more viewers. As you guys saw last night, I put up the rhythm guitar for my new song. I'm not going to record the vocals until I get a better computer. Not a better computer, a better mic. Please don't kill me. Hey, what's up? You're in my way. Thanks, buddy. Greatly appreciated. Woo, time to die. Or not, apparently. No. My God, look at all the tourists. There is a lot of them here, and it is frightening. It is very, very frightening. Alright, guys, ready? There's the falls. That's what everybody is all crazy about here. That. Water falling off of a cliff. And look, you can see it in my reflection! You also see yourself, right there. Oh, right, 1 second. Right. Curses. Damn it. There's not a lot of light here. See, I started doing this vlog inside because it's cold out. And I was like, oh, 1 second, you guys are a little smudgy. There we go. I think it's just smudgy. There we go. That's a lot better. So there's the waterfalls, guys. And there's America over there. So here is Canada. There is the States, where there's quite a bit of fans that I have up there. Hey, look at you guys again. Wow, why didn't I do that the first time? Look at all the birds! All those white specks are all seagulls and mist. It keeps getting on my iPhone. It gets really bright for a moment when I do that. Oh, there's so much mist and it's smearing all over my screen. There you go. Here, ready? Okay. And there you go, guys. Awesome. Normally I do the double thumbs up and I'm like, but I'm kind of holding you guys and I can't. I'm not gonna put you down at the falls. So, I don't think that's what else did I do today. Pretty much nothing, because I got home and started vlogging. That's honestly all I did today. Bunch of work. Came home, put on a sweater, and vlogged. Anyway, I only have a minute left to say peace. So, I'll do it in front of the falls. Awesome. So guys, thanks for watching vlog numero 3. Which I'll be like, oh, look at the birdies. So, there's the Seagulls. Anyway, guys, gotta get going because I have 30 seconds left. So, oh, and there was no hotties today. Oh, that's depressing. That's fine, because that means tomorrow there must be a bunch of full of hotties. Plethora? I don't know. Alright, guys, I really gotta get going. So, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button. It's there or there. Not sure which. My iPhone's not. Okay, keep on rocking. Peace.